Hello, friends. Have you seen such people who are being dominated by others for almost each and everything? Be it for their choice of food, their dresses, their education, etc. You might have seen a very popular Indian movie named English Winglish. Can you recall the main character of Shashi, played by Sridevi in the movie? She was shown as a very hardworking and pleasant person, but often dependent on someone for little needs. With such kind of domination, a state comes where the person loses one's identity and always remains in a state of confusion. Today, we are going to discuss one such personality who is always in a confused state, and that is Alumina.
Disclaimer. This video contains information on homeopathic remedy. The purpose of creating this video is to spread information and knowledge about this remedy. We strongly discourage any self-consumption of medicine without a qualified doctor's consultation.
Hello and welcome to another video by Visual Designers. Let's start our discussion on Alumina. Alumina individuals are quiet and gentle. They are dominated by someone usually since childhood. As mentioned earlier, this domination leads Alumina to lose their identity and enter in a state of confusion. Hence, the keynote of Alumina's mental state is its instability. These are mentally unstable personalities. They are unable to think straight, and this is confirmed by their hesitation while speaking. They try to find the right words while speaking. Making mistakes while writing and speaking is very characteristic of Alumina. Quite often, they are unable to follow a train of thoughts. Making clear thinking is impossible for them. In many cases, Alumina's mental confusion is present from childhood. As you may guess, the Alumina child has difficulty in learning, especially with regard to speech and writing. These children seem vague and dreamy. This mental confusion becomes more obvious when Alumina grows up and tries to cope as an adult in the world. Another highly characteristic feature of Alumina's mental instability is a sense of unreality. This may be described in various ways. They were not exactly certain who they were. It may seem as they are not themselves. When they say anything, they feel as if another person had said it. And when they see anything, they feel as if another person had seen it. This feeling develops due to continuous domination. The confusion and lack of identity makes Alumina prone to powerful emotions like despair, anger, and anxiety. So, let's see how Alumina behaves when they get prone to these powerful emotions. First is despair. The mood often alternates between despair and a relatively contented state, changing several times within a day. During depressive moods, Alumina will feel sad and hopeless and will often contemplate suicide. There may be a great deal of weeping, or the patient may not weep at all but simply withdraws into silence. Next is anger. Alumina may be subject to sudden bouts of rage, although often they will not take out their rage on others, but rather slam doors and smash things or curse out loud. Alumina feels violent at times towards themselves. These violent thoughts of Alumina nearly always involve cutting, be they suicidal or homicidal. Alumina has a very characteristic impulse to kill themselves when they see a knife or a sharp object. The patient is usually sensitive and has enough self control to resist the impulses, but they cause them a great deal of distress, and there is presumably a potential for the violent impulses to be acted upon. Lastly, let's discuss alumina's anxiety. Given the mental and emotional instability of alumina, it is not surprising that alumina individuals are prone to anxiety problems. Alumina is an extremely anxious type, prone to panic attacks and phobias. There is usually a fear of insanity and a related fear of succumbing to the suicidal or homicidal impulses. Almost any other fear may develop. There is fear of meeting people, especially group of people. Given alumina's scattered mental processes, even a little task like writing a thank you note can generate anxiety, and alumina can be thrown into a panic by any change in their surroundings or their daily routine. Alumina has anxiety about future, which often leads to insomnia. They will lie awake at night, obsessively worrying about how they will cope with the next day or with some anticipated ordeal in the near future. They will feel that some evil is going to take place. Alumina tends to become hurried when they are anxious. There is propensity to hurry. This is usually an aimless hurry in which very little is achieved, since the mind is so scattered. The more they hurry, the less they are able to cope, and so a vicious circle sets in. Alumina's hurriedness is often accompanied by a feeling of wanting to get away, to escape, hoping that things will be better, although they have no idea where they want to go to. Alumina thinks about their frenzy, hurry, and confusion of mind, how fretful they are, and they wonder if they are going crazy. And finally, they really think they are going crazy. When they meditate upon this state of mind, they think they are going to lose their reason. So, this is all about alumina's personality. If you have found value in this video, please don't forget to like and share it with others. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so now. Please comment and provide your valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye.